Hey everyone and welcome back to CryptoScores. Time to zoom out on the technology category, one of the 6 category scores that make up a project's overall rating. This score answers a fundamental question. Is there actually something being built here? The technology score is built from all the indicators you will find in this section. Chainlink partnership for Oracle, integration quality, GitHub first and last commit for the development timeline, GitHub change over 7 and 30 days for development momentum, token metrics expert analysis for professional tech review, commits over 1 year and development volume, active developers over 30 days and 1 year for team depth, and GitHub stars for community recognition. All of these feed into one score that tells you, is this project technologically credible, actively developed and properly built? And in the upcoming videos, we will break down each of these indicators one by one so you know exactly how to read them. A high technology score means a project has substance. Code that starts before the token, continuous development, multiple activity developers, quality infrastructure partnerships, expert validation. This is a project where the technology justifies the valuation. And here's something specific to the technology category. Some projects simply don't have a technology score at all. Take Book of Meme for the example. When you open the technology tab, there is nothing, not enough data to even generate a score. And that's not a bug, that's a feature. It tells you this is a meme coin with no meaningful technological component, no GitHub activity, no Chainlink partnership, and no expert analysis, because there is nothing to analyze. The project exists purely on narrative and speculation. That's not necessarily a reason to avoid it. Some people trade meme coins very profitably, but you need to go in with full awareness that there is no technology baking the price. On the main dashboard, you can filter by the technology score to see which projects are the most technically advanced and which ones are at the bottom. And you can filter specifically by technology score percentage, GitHub 30-day change and GitHub 1 year commit count. You just have to click on filter over there to scroll down to the technology category and you will have the opportunity to filter by this category. You want to find technically strong projects with accelerating development, set the technology score above 60% and the GitHub 30-day change positive. And if you want to find projects where development has stalled, filter for low commit counts and negative GitHub changes. The filters let you slice the data. So make the technology score part of your process. In a market full of narrative, hype and marketing, the technology score cuts through the noise and shows you what's actually being built. A project with strong technology score has a team that shows up, writes code, builds infrastructure and earns recognition for it. A project with no technology score, that's pure speculation. There is nothing wrong with knowing that as long as you know it before you invest, not after. And as always, you are the analyst. CryptoScores gives you the data, GitHub gives you the details, and the decision is yours. The technology score, is there real tech behind the token or is it all hype? Check it on cryptoscores.com and we will see you there in the next one.